Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7a and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and then let's tap on okay, enable, next. I'm opening for the very first time, so that's why we have a lot of those agreements and etc. Alright, we are on the camera, so in order to find the timer we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here as you can see in the general settings we've got the timer. Let's tap on it. We've got 4 different options, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick maybe 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately applied and notified here. So after getting back to the camera, we can tap on the shutter button. Hello. Okay, we can tap on the shutter button and from now on your device will count down from 10 in my case. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn it off whenever you want to or change the timer just by getting back to those options, and let me turn it off. Let's go back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.